you. Welcome to your TSN English class. Today we'll be starting our fourth video of this chapter The Enemy of class 12th from your book Vistas. So students, in previous paragraphs or in previous videos, we have discussed about what was going on between Dr. Sado and his wife Henna when they found that an American man near the sea and his condition, and discussing with each other that whether they have to keep that man with them or not. So let's read this paragraph here. This is your like page number 29 from your this first line of the chapter. So we must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police, as indeed we must, Sado. We must think of children and your position. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over his prisoner of war. Certainly, Sado agreed. I would not think of doing anything else. Thus agreed together. They lifted the man. He was very light, like a fowl that had been half starved for a long time, until it is only feathers and skeleton. So his arms hanging, they carried him up the steps and into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. It had been the bedroom of Sado's father, and since death it had not been used. They laid the man on the deeply matted floor. Everything here had been Japanese too. Please, the old Japanese too. Everything here was Japanese to please the old man, who would never in his own home sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Henna went to the wall cupboards and slid back a door and took out a soft quilt. She hesitated. The quilt was covered with flowered silk, and lining was pure white silk. He is so dirty, she murmured in distress. Yes, he had better be washed, Sado agreed. If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him. I cannot bear for you to touch him, she said. We shall have to tell the servants he is here. I will tell Yummy now. She can leave the children for a few minutes, and she can wash him. So here, Dr. Sado and his wife Henna, they were talking about what? They were talking about that American man. Then how they have to take care of that man. So what was their students that they were deciding. There's a discussion between them. In that discussion, they वो जो है कंक्लूजन पे नहीं पहुंच रहे थे एग्जैक्टली. सो वी विल टेल देम वी आर गोइंग टू हैंड हिम ओवर टू द पुलिस एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड टू. सो बोथ ऑफ देम वर लाइक सादो, और वो डिसाइड करने ही वाले होते हैं कि वो इसको पुलिस को हैंड ओवर करें या नहीं करें. वी मस्ट नॉट फॉरगेट हाउ रिस्पेक्टेबल यू आर एंड अबाउट our children. So then they were discussing about the fact that अगर वो उसे वहाँ रखते हैं तो they have 2 children and the reputation of Dr. Sado, तो वो इतनी important थी तो वो नहीं रखना चाह रहे थे उनके उस अमेरिकन को. We all may fall in great danger if we protected this man for going to jail as a war prisoner. And at the same time they are thinking about, both of them were thinking about that what happens up next अगर उन्होंने उस man को अपने घर रख लिया. So because he is like a prisoner of war, and this man from going to jail as a war prisoner. And definitely Sado agreed that I only intend to heal his wound. तो वो कहता है कि मेरी intention कुछ नहीं है. I am not saving this man. I am just protecting this man, or I am just healing his wounds. So thus agreed, they both lifted the man, that Hannah and Dr. Sado, वो उस मैन को उठाते हैं. He was a heavy as a fall, which had not eaten food full stomach for longer time, and it looks like जैसे उस आदमी ने बहुत समय से कुछ नहीं खाया था, that is why he doesn't contain too much weight, and had remained only a skeleton, and his body looks like a skeleton. So they took him up the steps and into the side door of their house. So उन्होंने उसको उठाया और steps की तरफ से अपने गेट के साइड डोर हाउस या घर के साइड डोर से उसे लेकर गए. दिस डोर ब्रॉट देम इन टू अ पैसेज एंड थॉट इट डाउन. द मैन वॉज कैरिड टूवर्ड्स अ रूम विदाउट एनी वन. एंड आफ्टर दैट दे थिंक दैट कि ये जो रूम है या ये जो मैन है, इसको इस रूम में पैसेज, वो जो पैसेज के थ्रू, उसको जिस पैसेज के थ्रू या ले गए थे, सो कोई उन्हें देखे ना, विदाउट, बिकॉज वो दे डोंट वॉन्ट देम टू बी नोटिस्ड बाय एनी वन. सो दिस रूम यूज टू बी देयर बेडरूम ऑफ सैडोज फादर. और वो कौन से रूम में ले जा रहे थे? वो रूम था विच इज़ लाइक सैडोज फादर, एंड विच इज़ लाइक दैट रूम वॉज, after his death of his father, it remained unused. So that room basically remained unused, and in that unused room the man was laid on like a deeply matted door, and room consisted only Japanese item. That room consisted only Japanese item, and that Sado father who always followed the Japanese tradition. And why that room contained so many Japanese things? Because Sado के जो father थे वो Japanese tradition में ज़्यादा believe करते थे, and never sat on a chair and used foreign bed to sleep in. इसलिए वो foreign beds use करते थे sleep करने के लिए. Hannah reached the wall cupboards and sliding back door. Hannah wall cupboards के पास गई और उसने sliding door को किया, एंड ब्रॉट अ क्विल्ट, सॉफ्ट क्विल्ट, और स्लाइडिंग डोर से एक क्विल्ट निकाला. शी स्टॉप्ड फॉर अ क्विल्ट इज लाइक ब्लैंकेट विच इज़ यूज्ड बाय पीपल, वुलन ब्लैंकेट यू कैन से दैट. सो वो 1 मिनट के लिए रुकी, एंड द कवर ऑफ द क्विल्ट वॉज फ्लावर silk and its lining was pure white silk, and that quilt which is like that quilt is so beautiful, silk material का उसके ऊपर pure white lining थी. So he is in very after that they discussed that that man is in very bad condition, and she murmured in somewhat like anger that इतना सुंदर सा मैं quilt इस man को उड़ा रही हूँ या इसके लिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जबकि ये man जो है कितना he is in very bad condition, and yes he needs washing. Sado agreed, and after that his husband agreed on the same matter, that this man needs washing, and if you bother to bring hot water I will clean him. And so at the same time Dr. Sado asked his wife to bring some hot water so that he will clean that man, and he don't want her to touch. So Hannah, she don't want her husband to touch that man. That is why she mentioned her husband that, oh doctor, please can you don't do this, and I will call servants, they will do all these things, and servants have to be told about his presence. So servants को हमको इसकी present में को बताना होगा that we kept an American over here in this room, and she told his husband that I called Yummy now. Yummy is the name of a so Yumi भी कह सकते हैं. So Yumi is the name of that person, and I will make her wash him, leaving फ्रॉम चिल्ड्रन फॉर सम मिनट्स. एंड वो कहती है कि मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए उसे कहती हूँ सर्वेंट यूमी को कि वो कुछ देर के लिए बच्चों को छोड़ दे और यहाँ आकर इसको वॉश करें. सैडो जो है वो कुछ देर के लिए सोचते हैं, थॉट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स, एंड वी शुड फॉलो दिस. ही कंसेंटेड, यू शुड टेल यूमी एंड आई विल इन्फॉर्म द अदर्स. तो वो कहते हैं डॉक्टर सैडो कि तुम यूमी को बताओ ये बात और मैं दूसरे सर्वेंट्स को आगे जाके ये बात बताता हूँ. देन व्हाट हैपन्स अप नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स? But the utter pallor of man unconsciousness face moved him first to stoop and feel his pulse. It was faint, but it was there. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart too was yet alive. He will die unless he operated on, Sado said, considering the question is whether he will not die anyway. Hannah cried out in fear, don't try to save him. What if he should live? What if he should die? Sado replied. He stood gazing. So here they are talking about that men, that after informing their servants, so but he was pale, was that जो मैन है, अमेरिकन मैन, हिज फेस लुक्स वेरी पेल एंड अनकॉन्शियस मैन एंड ही वॉज compelled to lean to check his pulse. So Dr. Sado just check his pulse and it was hard to feel but was running. उसकी चेक टू पल्स जो है बहुत इजीली नहीं समझ में आ रही थी बट वो अभी चल रही थी. ही प्लेस्ड हिज हैंड अगेंस्ट द कोल्ड ब्रेस्ट ऑफ द मैन एंड डॉक्टर सैडो ने अपना जो हाथ है वो उस मैन के कोल्ड ब्रेस्ट पे रखा. द हार्ट वॉज एट वर्क. उसका दिल अभी भी जो है वो वर्क कर रहा था. टू सेव हिम ही मस्ट परफॉर्म ऑपरेशन एंड डॉक्टर सैडो जो है अपनी वाइफ से कहते हैं कि टू सेव दैट मैन आई नीड टू परफॉर्म द ऑपरेशन एंड द क्वेश्चन इज वेदर ही विल नॉट डाई और एनी वे, है ना. गिव अ लाउड स्क्रीम इन फियर. यू मस्ट नॉट ट्राई टू सेव हिम. वॉट वुड हैपन इफ ही शुड लिव. तो उसकी वाइफ जो है वो मेंशन करती है अपने हस्बैंड को कि नो डॉक्टर, आई डोंट वांट यू टू परफॉर्म दैट ऑपरेशन बिकॉज इफ अगर ये बच जाता है देन व्हाट्स हैपन्स अप विद अस, कि हमारे साथ आगे जाके क्या होगा. इफ व्हाट इफ ही शुड डाई, और अगर ये मर गया देन हमारे साथ क्या होगा. देन आफ्टर हियरिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स और आफ्टर दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन डॉक्टर सैडो जो है दैट सैडो वो अपनी वाइफ से को रिप्लाई करते हैं. एंड विल बी कंटिन्यू दिस पार्ट ऑफ आवर वीडियो इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो.